bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Hijab Adore here, and I'm finally back on my channel while I'm talking to you guys because I feel like it's been so long since I've sat down or talked on camera. Like, it just feels so weird. And I actually just got back from getting acupuncture and cupping because I've been having really bad migraines for the past 30 days. And I have been trying to film for the past 30 days and I had the whole setup and everything, but I just couldn't really get the courage to start filming because I've been really in so much pain basically. As you can see that my acne has been getting a little bit better. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you would be more aware of the things that I'm talking about. I only have the scars right now. They don't hurt or anything anymore because I have been on different, so I can do a video on it if you guys want me to. Just let me know. It's basically an over-the-counter prescription strength retinoid that you use for your acne, so that's what I've been using and I feel like it's working, honestly. So every time I get a PR package, I always unbox it on my Instagram, so there are so many excuses that you should be following me on Instagram basically. And you should be subscribed over here on my channel as well. I mean, why not? It's free, so might as well just do it, right? My Boxycharm has been sitting here for the first 2 days. I was like, all right, I'm gonna feel better, but then I didn't feel better. And then yesterday, oh my god, why are people having fireworks all of a sudden? Okay. So yesterday on the Instagram story, I unboxed my Boxycharm, and yes, I am affiliated with Boxycharm, so you don't have to use my link, but if you do, it'd be amazing. I would love you forever. And you basically pay $21 every month and you get free shipping if you live in the US, and you get like 5 full-size products every month. If you want to see everything I got in my box in the month of April, head on over to my Instagram and I have already saved it in my highlights, so just click on the Boxycharm unboxing highlight and then you would be able to see the products that I got. I even swatched everything over there as well, but I'm gonna just try to use the eyeshadow palette and the lip product that I got this month today in this video. And then also I got a bunch of Covergirl stuff, so I'm gonna try to use as many things from Covergirl as possible today. And then also I went to Ipsy Generation Beauty cocktail party, so I got a swag bag over there, so I'm gonna be trying out some of the products from there. And I've already tried out a lot of products from my swag bag and I've been updating you guys on my Insta story. So yeah, I keep telling you to go to my Instagram and follow me there so you're not missing out on anything. I mean, if you care, and if you don't care, then I don't care either. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the brows as always. Alrighty guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna use is this Covergirl brow pomade in shade number 710. And I'm so sorry, I know it's so freaking loud, but what can I do? I live in LA, so it gotta be loud. So this is how this looks like. It's very, very tiny. I mean, I don't mind. I never get to use my whole brow pomades anyways. So yeah, this size is okay. And then it comes with a little brush on the other end. Okay, so the brow shade is looking fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a spoolie to kind of brush the product out. Okay, so the product is very creamy and I like my brow pomades to be a little bit stiffer, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't like it to be that creamy, but I feel like once you start using these and kind of, you know, the air just hits them and stuff, like they always get a little bit drier. So I really don't think that it's a problem that it's a little bit creamier than my other brow pomades. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using these 2 concealers from Covergirl. They're called Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealers. I don't know the name of these because they don't have a shade on these, but I'll try to put them down below in the description box or somewhere on the screen. And I am actually going to start off with the lighter shade, which is, I don't know what, but I am just going to try to clean up around my brows with it. Okay, so this concealer feels pretty liquidy. Like, I can literally feel like a little bit watery, you know what I mean? So this might not be full coverage, but we'll see. I used it in my last first impressions video, but I thought that I didn't use it right because I mixed it with a Revlon color corrector, so I just wanted to give it a fair shot today. This is not a coverage concealer, if you feel what I mean. And it's drying very nice. but I do think that I need more coverage. And since that Covergirl concealer wasn't working, so I just used my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer right on top of it. So it just kind of covered up under my brows because that was pretty bushy. So now it looks a little bit cleaner. Okay, so the next thing is a primer. Oh god, it's so loud. And I don't have a new primer to use, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use my Professional from Benefit, and I don't even have a new foundation either to try out today, so I'm gonna use my Covergirl Healthy Elixir foundation that looks like crap because this bottle is so beat up. So I'm just gonna do my face and then I'll come back and then we'll try out the concealer as a concealer and you know all the other stuff. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I applied my foundation and I'm gonna use this concealer as a concealer now. And as you can see, like even the foundation from this line, the Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation, is not full coverage. So I wasn't really expecting this concealer to be full coverage either. And I am actually liking how lightweight it's feeling so far. So let's see. And you do not want your beauty blender to be, or your beauty sponge to be too wet for medium coverage products, because then it just shears it out a lot more. Okay, so I'm just going in with another coat. Okay, definitely buildable. I can see that. But it's still not full coverage. Okay, so I'm going in with the third time. Okay, now I'm just gonna set it with my Sacha Buttercup powder, which is the powder that kind of brightens, and it's like a little yellow banana powder, and I've been really loving this powder. Since I'm trying out new products, I wanted to let you guys know that I recently went to Vegas and the only powder I took with me was this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it was my first time ever using this powder. And guess what, like I love this powder all over my face, but for the under eye, no, this powder is a big no for me for my under eye, because I feel like I have these creases under my eye area, like the natural ones, and no matter what I do, this powder was creasing under my eye area. Like the rest of my face was looking flawless and amazing, but the under eye area was not having it. I tried it like 3 different ways because I wore it for 3 different days straight, and I just did not really like it for my under eye. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that. I did unbox my Laura Mercier PR package when they sent me this powder, and I did tell you that I will update you guys somewhere. So yeah, this is that update. Okay, so now while my under eye area is baking, I want to set the rest of my face using this Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. I just keep saying Healthy Elixir. I usually use my Sephora Micro Smooth to do this step, but today I just want to try this out. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you like this powder is feeling a little bit heavier than my Sephora Micro Smooth, because that Micro Smooth powder from Sephora is like a very lightweight mineralized kind of powder, but this one I can feel like it's kind of heavier than that. But I honestly don't mind for it to feel a little bit heavier. As long as it gives me that smoothing effect, I don't really care. And the shade I used is medium beige, and I'm actually liking it. This is Kokie Powder Contour Palette, and this is actually supposed to be a dupe of the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I actually have the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, so I can tell you when I look at it, the shades in here look a lot more warmer. Like they're not as grayish as the shades in my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So yeah, I feel like I might like this because I do like my contour and my bronzers to be a little bit warmer, like not too warm but a little bit warmer. So I kind of think that I'm gonna like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this darkest shade right here. Now I'm just gonna use the shade in the center to contour my nose. I hope it's the right shade for me. Okay, I can tell you that I'm really liking these powders. They're super blendable, much more blendable than my Kat Von D Shade and Light powders, because my nose contour is never this blended. And then I'm just gonna use the yellow shade in the center, like on top right here, to kind of clean up my nose contour in the center. The yellow shade is looking a little too white for me, because you can compare this yellow and this yellow. It's just a little bit too light. Now I'm just gonna dust it off. I'm just gonna use the center shade right here mixed with this one, like this, for my bronzer. Okay, so now this is the blush that I want to use. This came in my Boxycharm last month. I never even opened it, so I'm gonna try to use it today. Holy shoot, it's too freaking pigmented. I don't like blushes to be this harsh or pigmented, because then it's impossible to blend them. And right now it looks really patchy on this cheek, and I literally just touched it on my cheeks, and I mean, it's a cute shade. Like, I would look really cute with this shade, but I feel like I see that it's patchy on this cheek right here. And even on this cheek, I feel like it didn't blend right. So we're just going to try to ignore that. Already got this palette dirty, but I never even used it. So these are the palettes that I want to try out today. Both came in my Boxycharm. This one came in April's Boxycharm, which is a My Little Pony and ColourPop collabed palette. And this is a Pure Cosmetics and Boxycharm collaboration that came in my last month's Boxycharm. This is the palette that is a collaboration of Boxycharm with Pure Cosmetics. I'd never even swatched this palette, so we're gonna do something with it today. And then this is the palette that I got today. I already swatched it on my Insta stories, so if you're interested to see everything I got in my Boxycharm this month, you can go to my Instagram, which is linked down below in the description box, and you can check it out over there. I have never used ColourPop eyeshadows before, so I'm really excited and kind of scared too. Like, just don't know how they are. Okay, it's super duper pigmented. I actually thought that this shade would be a transition shade, but it's pretty pink. And I see a lot of fallout, but I don't see no fallout on my face yet. Oh no, I do a little bit over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in this Pure Cosmetics and Boxycharm collabed palette, and I'm gonna use this brown shade out of here, like right here. Okay, I'm liking the blendability of it as well. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go back in my ColourPop palette. I want to use this shade right here. I feel like it's been so long since I've used a shimmer on my brow bone. So that is what I'm trying to do today. Alright guys, so since everybody and their mother is using blue nowadays, I want to use this blue so bad right here. Okay, and now I'm just going to use this shade. Just apply it on the under eye area. Okay, ColourPop eyeshadows are crazy pigmented and crazy soft and buttery. Okay, so I'm just going to use this purple shade on the inner corners because, you know, I'm just feeling the whole My Little Pony. Okay, and then I'm going to use this shade right here, which kind of broke on me. A little bit extra on the inner corners so my eyes can just open up since I'm not wearing no contacts today. Dust it off. Okay, so I'm just using this e.l.f. brow gel, which is a tinted brow gel. Alright, so I feel like the brows are set. And this mascara is called Peacock Flare Waterproof Mascara. And this is the wand of it. I like it does have a bit leather over here, or you know, some kind of a leather kind of material for a better grip, but I feel like it's too fat and I don't feel more in control. Alrighty guys, so now comes the eyeliner, and I'm gonna use this Covergirl liquid eyeliner. This is how the tip is. Okay, so I'm gonna apply these lashes. These I got off of eBay for like $5 or $6, and these are apparently a dupe of the Miami lashes, and they look really nice. Like the packaging is really high quality too, compared to the price that I paid for it. Like pretty cool. Alright guys, so my lashes are on. Alright, and I'm loving the eyes. Actually, I applied some mascara on the lower lash line as well, and I also applied some of that pink shade that I applied in the crease under my eye area. And now I'm gonna use this Healthy Vitalist Glow. This is Covergirl's new highlighters, and a lot of people have been loving these. When you get them, like on the top layer is literally no shimmer, so like don't even use the top layer. I literally just scraped off the top layer, and then you see all the goodness under the top layer. Like I'm loving the shade and everything. It's looking like I didn't blend my highlight in the mirror, but I feel like on the camera it looks better. Alright guys, so for the lipstick, I'm also gonna use the product I received in my Boxycharm, which is a Desse High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is basically a gloss. So this is how the lipstick is looking. I'm actually really liking it. Okay guys, so this is the whole makeup look. I am gonna go change and everything, and then I'll show you how the final look looks like. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just put on this headpiece and this headscarf, and everything else is the same. And I am freaking loving each and everything that I used today except the concealer. Concealer was like, it is still looking a bit patchy under my eye area, I'm not gonna lie. So I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try it with different powders or something, but for today this concealer is not with me. Other than that, like the highlighter just melted into the skin, and it's looking really nice. I love the glow that it's giving me. I'm loving the brows, like the brow pomade and then the brow gel. Everything was amazing, loving it. And the foundation, I mean, I already love this Healthy Elixir Vitalist foundation from Covergirl. Other than that, the lashes are looking amazing. They're so affordable and so nice. Like I'm loving them. And the eyeshadow palette, amazing. So yeah, I feel like that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, like my page on Facebook, subscribe over here, follow me on Twitter as well. And there is a giveaway going on my Instagram page. You can go to a giveaway picture that is a few posts down on my feed, and you can enter, and there's gonna be 3 winners. I feel like you might have a better chance of winning. So yeah, make sure that you enter my giveaway. And for right now, that's it guys. Take care. Bye.